Jamaican Sislin Allen, Britain's first black policewoman honored. Sislin Fay Allen, March 20, 1938 to July 5, 2021, known as Fay Allen, was a British and Jamaican police officer who was the first black woman police constable in the United Kingdom, serving in the Metropolitan Police in London from 1968 to 1972. She also worked for the Jamaica Constabulary Force. Sislin Allen has many achievements on her belt. She was a working nurse, a detective and a police officer from Jamaica, and also worked in Britain. Sislin Fay Allen was an inspiration for many when she became the Metropolitan Police's first black female police officer, based at Croydon in the late 1960s. In 1968, Sislin Fay Allen, a nurse at Croydon's Queen's Hospital, became Britain's first black policewoman. Sislin Fay Allen, Britain's first black policewoman honored with Lifetime Achievement Award. Sislin Fay Allen, 82, joined the Metropolitan Police in 1968, paving the way for other women of color. Britain's first black policewoman has been honored November 2020 with a Lifetime Achievement Award at a ceremony celebrating black, Asian and minority ethnic female officers. Sislin Fay Allen, 82, joined the Metropolitan Police in 1968. Now living in Jamaica, Mrs. Allen said she feels honored and humbled after being awarded the accolade, 50 years since she first made history. Mrs. Allen said, "I wasn't expecting anything like this. I am really humbled by it all. I want to thank everyone in policing who has given me this. It has been such a long time, but it is better to be late than never. I remain happy that I did what I did." The Home Secretary has praised Mrs. Allen's legacy in policing.